You're running ads but still don't know what's actually working or what's actually costing you money in your funnel. In this video today, I'm going to give you 3 simple steps that you can take this week to actually figure out where your funnel's leaking and then how to start making smarter decisions with your ad spend based on those numbers. And if you'd like a tracking worksheet that we give to our own clients so that they can see what's going on, drop the word numbers below because I'm happy to send this over to you. It's really important to know your numbers, okay? Hello, I'm Tina from 𝘴𝘦𝘢𝘴𝘺.com. Now, we're finding most people are coming to us right now after their ads and funnels are failing. Now, we've been doing this particular strategy for 2 years now. And what we do is we meet with people, we find what's already working, what isn't, and then we turn that into booked calls for them. Now, we can do the same for you. Have a quick call, and if it's a fit, we're happy to help. Now, let's get into this. It's really important. Now, here are 3 things that you can do this week to stop guessing and start understanding your numbers, which is always good to know, isn't it? First thing you want to do, you want to map out the journey that goes from click to client for your own client, okay, for your own process. Okay, you want to write down each step. So maybe it's ad, landing page, filling in the form, card number, and then the next step, okay. But this kind of gives you a visual flow. You don't have to draw pictures like me, but you just have a list, okay? But you want to find out where people are dropping off. And if you have that, you can identify where that is, okay? I like pictures. Some people just like forms. Step 2, pick 3 numbers to focus on, just 3. You don't need a spreadsheet of 40 metrics for this. You want to keep it simple. Start here. You've got cost per click, conversion rate on your page, and either your purchase or your booking rate, okay? You got that? Okay. Now, if you know those 3, you'll be able to identify where the leak is, okay? And that's the important part, because the step 3 is just to change one thing at a time based on those numbers. And this is where we find most people go wrong, because they start changing the ad, the page, the offer, the emails, and they just don't know what worked when things do start working or don't work, okay? So test one change at a time and give it enough time to show a result, even if you are impatient to get money in right now, okay? But these 3 steps, even though they sound simple, will save you thousands over time, okay? Because when you can look at your funnel and say, this is where we lost the people, you can actually finally fix the right thing, put your time and resources in the right place. Now, if you like, you can use the same simple template that we use to track with our own clients. And if you want this, drop the word numbers below and I can send it to you. Now, the goal here isn't to be a data expert, it's actually to make this simple and to help you stop guessing, because we know when you do that, everything else just moves faster and you get the results that you are looking for.